That's the mortise. And we're gonna put this end board on the tabletop, on the tenons.
Alright.
We got a really nice fit out of this one. Got it first try, perfect fit.
Yep.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit of pressure to put it on. Should we put on the other side too?
Sure, let's throw it on.
This one was a little trickier. It took us probably about, what, an hour to tweak it to
There's a lot of
right.
back and forth.
But we got a pretty good fit in the end.
There we go.
Tight fit. Stays on.
Yeah, that should work nicely, and then we'll cut the excess off, the overhang. After we get it all doweled in, we'll do the draw bore method to put the dowels in the pins and tighten this breadboard right up onto the table surface.
And then the tabletop will be ready for more work.
That's right.